In this video, I'll show you how to resize image in Canva without cropping, or how to make a design from your original image without cropping or any changes. To do this, we can follow three techniques. First one is for the Canva free user, and second one is for the Canva Pro user, and third one is suitable for both of the Canva users. So now I will show you first how to resize image in Canva without cropping in a free account. You see, this is my free account, Canva free account, and this one is my Canva Pro account. So I want to show you first with a Canva free account. First, create a canvas. So this is my canvas, and now I need to upload an image which I wanted to resize in Canva without cropping or any changes. So let's upload my image. The image has been uploaded. Now I need to adjust the image with my canvas. But here you see my image size and the canvas size don't fit with each other. So this is the challenge, and I need to solve this problem actually. As a Canva free user, you need to first identify your image dimension or aspect ratio. How you can find out image original dimension? Just click here and select the image. Now click position, and you will see the image dimension is here, like its width is and height is. So remember this size, because we need to create another canvas with exactly this size. So I am in my Canva homepage now, and I want to create a custom size. Click here, and first one is, and second one is 720. Let's see again. Okay, and create the design. Okay, so now this canvas is exactly fit with my original image size without any types of issue. So now click here, and if you want to see, it will fit with my original canvas size. So this is the first way. Now you can design with your image or anything you want without cropping your image. So this is the first technique for a Canva free user, because we don't have resize feature in Canva free account. When we click resize button, it will show you need to activate your pro account. So now go to the pro account. So now I am in my pro account. So again, I need to create a canvas first. Let's say I want to create YouTube thumbnail canvas. Okay. Now I need to upload the image, and I'm uploading the image. Click here, and it has been in my canvas. Now adjust it and see there is a gap. Normally, if you want to fit your image with the canvas, you need to crop or change image aspect ratio, but we don't want to do this. So now again, check the image aspect ratio or image resolution. Click the image, go to the position, and see pixel. Now you don't need to go anywhere, because as a pro user, we have canvas resize feature available in our pro account. Just click resize button, and now click custom size, and now give the input by 720, and now we have two options, like one is crop and resize, another is resize the design. So we need to click resize the design, this button, and it is processing. And now my canvas is based on my image. You will see now you can design or do anything in your canvas without cutting or without cropping your image and keeping the original image size in your canvas. One thing you should remember, that if your image size has aspect ratio with fraction, you need to adjust it either up or below to make it rounded. Let's say my image size, if it is the height of the image is 720.5, then when we resize the image or resize the canvas, we need to place the height as maybe 720 or 721, because in image resolution or resize you need to always input a full number, not a fraction. I think it makes sense to you. And now the third step is here. So just drag the image to your Canva account first. So you can click here, upload image, and click upload file and upload the image. And now click edit image, this button. And now click the create design button. And you see, we don't need to do anything because our canvas size and image size is completely the same, and the aspect ratio is same because we didn't create any custom canvas in this time, and it automatically takes the image original resolution or aspect ratio. You can also do it in your free account as well. So let's see how it works. I'm going to my free account and go to Canva homepage. And now upload the image. Now click edit image. Wait a couple of seconds and now click create design. So you see it adjusts with my original image, or in other word, my image size and canvas size are same, and I don't need to crop my image or I don't need to resize my canvas. It works both of the account. If you are a Canva Pro user, you are good to go. Either if you are a Canva free user, you are also good to go with this technique. So I think your problem has been solved. Now you can try it out by yourself. In these ways, you can resize your image in Canva without cropping or with its original aspect ratio or original size or resolution. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, please throw a comment below. I read every comment and reply all of the comments. Thank you so much.